everyone, Crafting Vicky here with you, and I'm very excited to share with you this unboxing. This is from Hobonichi. So I've been using my Hobonichi Techno for 2 years now, the big one, the cousin size, and I really love it. I don't use the days for memory keeping. I keep those for taking notes and other different things, and I use the weeks as a memory keeping type of thing. This year I tried to put a picture and something to explain what happened during the week. And I've been debating the idea of getting a 5-year Hobonichi, because I just love the idea of having, especially with the fact that it's all 5 years on one page for one day. And I thought it would be really fun to be able to look at from year to year what was happening the year before. So I was debating and debating and debating, and I like the A5 size. That's my favorite size, and I think I've mentioned it in videos before. So I was debating on whether to get that or not, and I finally decided to take the plunge. Went on the website and they didn't have any more. So I'm like, okay, they only had the A6. So that was a big disappointment, and then I'm like, well, really not sure about the A6 size. I don't know, maybe I should wait for another year. So I kept on thinking and thinking, and so the next day, I decided to go and go for it after watching a lot of videos and stuff and seeing the size and thinking, well, since I'm not quite sure how much I'm gonna love writing in it, the fact that it's smaller might be useful, because I won't be feeling so much pressure to write more, if that makes sense. And anyway, should I decide that I really want to have another one, then I can decide later on. But at least I'll have something where I've got my memories of this year, day to day. So that was my thinking. I went on their website, and the A6 was all sold. So I was like, oh my god. And I tried to look online for other places, and there was some on eBay. I tried to reach the vendor, because there's a few things that were of interest, and he never contacted me back. So I figured, like, that's not gonna work. And when I went on the Hobonichi, I realized that they did still have the one A6 5 years, but the gift box. And so the gift box comes with the cover. It was not the cover I wanted. I wanted a leather one, but it was an A6, and it was the 5-year. So I jumped on it, because I'm like, okay, this is ridiculous. I'm gonna get, again, I'm gonna lose what I wanted. And so I decided, like, let's just go for it. So let's open up what I purchased, because while I was there, I decided to purchase a few more items. I'm part of I've been listening to the Stationery Cafe. I just love all the stuff that they discuss. I'm really into stationery. I just love it. It's a big passion of mine. And I'm very influenced by Courtney Diaz, Little Raven Ink, and she does a lot of stuff with the Hobonichi as well. And so she had covers like these to put their stickers in. And my A5 Hobonichi that I use, I've started using some stickers to write the videos that I'm making every day and stuff like that, and I have nothing to put them in. So I saw that Courtney had these here, and these are the A5 size. So I decided to go for it and get and get these here, these folders, so I can tuck in I can tuck in my stickers and put them in so that they're not always falling. I also purchased something else that I'll get to share with you when I actually get it. That should also help with that problem. So this is for that. And then I got this one because it was much smaller. This one is the A6 size. So you can see the big difference between the A6 size and the A5 size, which is why I was concerned about the idea of writing into something so small versus something that big. Maybe it would be better if I was using a different color one. So here it is. So that's the big difference, but I still think it's fun, and I figured for these small ones they would be good for smaller sheets of stickers, and I could also put them in my pouch because I want to get a new pouch, and I want to show you guys what's in my pouch, what I'm using next to me on the couch. Now, I also saw this here, which I thought was amazing, and I ordered 4 of them because obviously I don't order from Hobonichi very often because it's very expensive, the shipping and everything. And so I really wanted these. These are double-sided tapes, and there's 2 sizes of them. And what's fun with them is that they come in this little booklet. Therefore, you can tuck it in and you've got double-sided tape at all times. So if I'm just going with my book somewhere, I can just bring that and I don't have to bring a tape runner or anything. So that's why I got 4. I thought it was brilliant, and I didn't want to have to hunt for more of it later on. Now let's open up this little gift box. This little gift of me to me. So there's, I think this is a little sticker. Isn't the box beautiful? It's really beautiful. No, it's just a little piece of paper. It's very pretty though. And then you've got the cover, and it comes with a little writing board, which is great. So I didn't have to get any of the extra stuff. It was all included basically in the set. So here we go. It's so pretty. So pretty. Isn't it pretty? Yeah. But it's not leather. It's not what I had originally planned, but like I said, I didn't plan originally to get the A6 size either, so. But I love this box. It's just so pretty. So pretty. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I'll have to find a use for it. So here's the Hobonichi, and guess that's just a little sheet. Obviously I don't speak Japanese, so can't do much with that, but this could be fun to use on some ephemera and stuff. And then let's check this out. So this is the 5-year, and so what you have is you have like little boxes. So for the month, like the 16th of March, you've got 221, 222, 23, 24, and 25, and then you've got a full page here that you can, like if your story is bigger or something, you can use. It has a little bookmark as well. So now obviously I'm gonna have to go back and try to remember some of the stuff from the beginning of the year, but it's not so bad. Like I'm not so far in the year already, so I can at least, you know, I've got all the rest of the year that I can document. And so I'm really happy that I finally decided to take the plunge and to get it, because I really hesitated whether or not I was gonna do it. And I think I think it's a great thing. I'm looking forward to seeing how I use it. It's a bit snug, but it has to, I guess, adjust to the feel of the book. But I really like it. I'm really happy that I finally did it. So that's my new little Hobonichi cover. It's yeah, I'm really happy that I finally took the plunge and went for it. It's yeah. So I'm hoping that you guys liked seeing this unboxing. I was very excited about this, and yeah. So I'll have to see how it goes along. Let me know if it's something that you'd like to know, if I do keep at it, and yeah, and hopefully the seeing what's on my couch and what I use would be a video that would be of interest. So looking forward to reading your comments. Love you guys. Bye.